Well, hello and welcome to the Kitchen Casino once again. Somebody asked me about patterns, and I'm going to do a little bit about that right now. Most people think of the 12s on a table as the first 12, which consists of 1 through 12. Second 12 consists of 13 through 24. Third 12 consists of 25 through 36. But the table is actually split into 12s. If you take all the numbers, and what I do is start from 0 and go out 12 numbers, and then from that number I go out another 12 numbers. So I'm actually splitting the wheel into 3 pieces instead of the table, because you're actually playing against the wheel. So this is actually the first 12. It starts from 0. This is the pattern. 5, 7, 9, 11, 17, 20, 22, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, and I add the 00 because if I'm playing the numbers, if I'm playing the table, I'm always going to cover both of the 0 and the 00, even though this 00 is not part of the first 12. Now, you can start the first 12 from anywhere on the table. You can start it from the number 1. You can start the second 12 from the number 2. Third 12 from the number 3. Whatever you want to do. But you're covering 1/3 of the table just with the numbers, but you're covering the wheel and not the felt, because you're not playing against the felt, you're playing against the wheel. So let's see what happens with the first 12. And again, this is part of my series about turning $50 into $1,000. I had $64 at the end of my last video. This is a $14 bet. Each third is going to be a $14 bet. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have $50 left. So here's $14 on the table. Let's see what happens. Okay, a 0 came up, and that is actually part of the first 12, because I start my first 12 from 0 and go out actually 12 numbers from there. So I won $21, which is actually 34, because I would have won $34 on this bet. But I bet $14, so 34 minus 14 is $21. Right? Wait a minute. 34 minus 14. So I won 20 bucks on this bet. So 10, 20. And since I won, because this is an educational video, I want to move on to the second 12. Now, I've put my $20 over here, which allocates for the other 14 that are on the table. I'm always going to leave 0 and 0 in place. And the second 12 actually consists of 1, 3, 8, 10, 12, 13, 15, 24, 25, 27, 29, and 30. Oh, 36. Kind of a weird combination, but that is the second 12. If you go from here out 12 numbers and then from there out 12 numbers. So this is the pattern for the second 12. So let's see what happens here. And a double zero came out. So this is always good if the table hits zero a lot, like this one just hit zero twice. So betting $14 and winning $34, I actually came out 20 bucks ahead. Okay, so there's my 20 bucks. Like I said, I'm going to turn $50 into $1,000. But it's going to take a while. Using many different systems. So again, I'm going to just remove these 12 numbers, because these 12 numbers, there's 12 single dollar bets here, and the 2, 0, and 0, 0. And I'm going to play the third 12, which is 2, 4, 6, 14, 16, 18, 19, 21, 23, 31, 33, and 35. So that's the pattern for the third 12, just starting from the 0, going out 12 numbers, then going from there 12 numbers, and then going from there 12 numbers. Covers all the bets, and this is actually the third 12. Most people think of the third 12 as 35 or 23, 25 actually, through 36. So I'm going to roll this once. If I lose, it doesn't matter. I'm up 40 bucks right now. I won twice. If I lose, I'm still up 40 bucks, and I'll just lose this 14, and I'll call it a night. So let's see what happens here. $19 came out, and that is a winner. So I just won another 20 bucks. So that's 20 plus the 14, which would make 34. So right now I'm up 60 bucks with 3 rolls. Now obviously this is not going to happen over and over again. You may want to stay on the third 12, you may want to go back to the first 12, but this was an educational video to show you the actual first 12, second 12, and third 12 on a roulette table. So I hope you enjoyed. Right now I'm up pretty good here. I got made 60 bucks over here. I've still got all my $64 in singles. So right now I'm ahead again another $60. In the last video I was only up 2 bucks. So I hope you enjoyed this, and maybe it can help you out.